Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Shivansh Tech guys. I hope you all are doing well practice in AutoCAD learning sessions. And guys, today we are going to understand the stretch command in AutoCAD. We can activate the stretch command by using short key S enter. Alright guys, stretch command is basically used to stretch any object from the one side or one portion of the object. So we will understand this, we will do some practice in today's tutorial about the stretch command. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and go and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of new upcoming video. Alright guys, without wasting our time, let's get started. Let's select a rectangle. I have draw a rectangle here, something like this. I have draw here like this. Draw a line here. Again I'm gonna draw a line here, something like this. So then enter. Okay, this is our object. We will stretch this object now by using the stretch command. So we can activate the stretch command by here to modify command bar, and we can select stretch command from here, something like this. I just select this stretch, and now this is asking for the select object. So guys, if you select the whole object, something like this, then enter, then this is asking for the base point. I just click here, and as we can see, this is asking to till where we wanna stretch. I just click here. So guys, we can see this is not a stretch. This works as a simple move command. So alright guys, let's try once more why it is behaving like this and what's the concept of using stretch command. Alright guys, we have selected the full object in last time. Now in this time we will select the half object. Then S enter, select object. This is saying select object. I just select only this part. Basically just a minute. Select all the object and then explode. I have break this object into different pieces. So now select stretch command and select this portion of this, and then enter, get the base point, and we can see this is still the same. This is not working as a stretch command. This is a simple move command. So guys, basically the funda is of selecting the object. So now I'll tell you how we need to select for using the stretch command. Let's activate the stretch command. I just select this. When you wanna use stretch command, you need to select the object from right hand side to left hand side, something like this. I just select this portion of this object and enter, then give it the base point. I just click here, and we can see stretch command is active. We can stretch the object as long as we wanna stretch. So alright guys, let's try once more. I have selected this one. I have selected this one. I have selected both of these. Then enter, hit the base point. So we can see this is done. So guys, this is the way how we can stretch a simple object. Let's try once more. Again stretch. Select the partly portion of this. I have selected here and enter. Give the base point. I just give here, and we can place it anywhere, something like this, or we can give it as a straight like this. So guys, when you wanna give the value at how much you wanna stretch this object, so now you can enter here. Now let's suppose you wanna enter this side to 25 I have entered 25 here, and then enter. Our object from here to here has been extended to 25 So this is the way. Let's stretch this from the downward side. I wanna stretch this from down here, and I give it 25. I am gonna stretch this of 10 I just give here. So guys, I hope you understand this. Let's once more try that. So guys, this is the circle I have drawn here. I have drawn one more circle here. I have selected this line here. As a center, and I have selected once again this line from here to here. So guys, this is the way. Select the trim. So guys, this is the object that I have made. Let's draw two circle inside this. Like this, I have drawn this circle. Okay guys, let's stretch this object. S, then enter. Stretch command is activate. Now if you will select this whole object, the same scenario will happen. This stretch command will not work as a stretch. This will work as a move command. Just keep it. This is gonna move. You can also enter the value here at 10 mm that this is move here. So let's stretch this portion of the object. I just give here S. This I selected this, then enter the base point, so we can stretch this. Okay, we can enter value 10 mm. So I think this has been able. And if you wanna stretch the upper portion or lower portion of this, because there is a specified arc in this, so S, enter, select the object like this. You have enter, then stretch, then this is the give it the base point. It's not behaving good, so let's try once more. This is not the good scenario. S, for activating the stretch command, yep, activate. I have selected this portion, then stretch. So guys, as we can see, our arc is increasing. If you will extend this to 10 mm, our arc size has been increased. And if you don't want to increase the arc size, for this, get back to this and stretch command, select this, only this portion you have selected here, then enter, give the base point. Now you will have to enter 10 mm. Enter, then space. So guys, basically this is the way how you can use the stretch command. Though there is one more thing to tell you, we can't use the stretch command on any circle, and we cannot also use the stretch command on ellipse and block. So let's suppose I have selected the circle here, stretch command, then selected circle, then space. You will select any object, but this will work as a move. Selected command, something like this. So guys, stretch command is not applicable for any circle, ellipse or any block. I hope you understand the concept of stretch command. So guys, there is one more point. If you wanna stretch both the objects together, so you can, for this you can use M stretch. M stretch also I have selected this object. In this you have selected this in box, then space. We will see this is gonna stretch here. Let's try once more M stretch. I have selected M stretch. Okay, this is the way how we can use the M stretch. We can stretch the multiple objects together by using the M stretch command. So I hope you understand, and if you like the video, please like and share the video and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of. Do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for clicking.